Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Anchor Protocol Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box. In the comment section, you are going to take easy profits, manual system with over 90% win ratio, scalping depending on the third tier or the second tier or whatever tier you want to choose. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go to ANC against USDT chart. Right here on the 0.1175 and the 0.12, you can see that this area is a very huge resistance level area. And why I'm saying that, let's go a little bit back to explain the targets that I'm having. First of all, I have drawn the fib from the top on 28 June to the bottom back on 27 August. Now the case right here is that we are about to close maybe above the 0.12 to 0.75. Now if we close above these targets in the 4-hour frame, then we can move to the 0.13259. This is the next target that we are going to go to. However, we need to close above these lines right here. Into the 4-hour frame, we are going to the RSI. You are seeing that we're having some nice high, actually overbought situation right here, which means that we are having a high risk and sellers might step in pretty soon enough. You can see that whenever we have such a high RSI, such a high risk, that we are correcting, right? So anyway, right here at this moment, I will pay mostly attention to the price analysis rather than the technical analysis. So what happens if we close above? We get to the 0.1325. What happens if we close above the 0.1325? We are going to go to the 0.15761, in which there we are going to have a huge resistance level area. Okay, so I want you to be extremely careful around this target right here. We are going to have the first rejection going on. Now the case right here is that the 0.10757 is a major support level. Okay, and major support level, that means that if we close below these lines right here in the 4-hour frame, we are going probably to meet the 0.10757. If we can hold it, then Anchor will be doing something like this. Okay, going back down, having a nice backup turn right here. Okay, unfortunately though, if we do not withstand it and have it as a support level, we are going down to the 0.1040 and the 0.098. Okay, so you have to be extremely careful. Right here though, it is very possible that we can close above the 0.12 and the 0.1175, and we can go to the 0.1325, we can go to the 0.1578 as well. In the daily frame, if we go here, we have a huge risk because of the commodity channel index. In general, I want you to listen to something that I have to say right here, and I want you to be careful on what we are going to say. Right now, whenever you see an altcoin going above the 350 actually in the commodity channel index and going even higher, then this is an exit point. Usually what happens after here, it is that we correct. Okay, so I want you to be very careful in the daily frame for the next few days for ANC, because we are having a huge risk. Okay, especially if we cannot close above these lines right here. I want you to be more than ever careful right now, okay, because if we do not close above, we are not going to go to the next price target, which we'll have right now. Okay, so it is very important to watch out, to be careful. Okay, closing below, you can see that we are finding in the lower time frames some selling pressure right now. It is looking like right here we could be forming something like an ascending triangle in the 15-minute mark, although we are going to wait and see. Anyway, I'm really excited to see the outcome and what are we going to do if we can manage to make it to the 0.13259 and then to the 0.1578. I'm making this video actually because many people are going to see that ANC pumped plus 23% and they are going to get in immediately, but this could be a wrong decision. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.